Hi, I'm a big fan of MasterChef and I actually won myself a MasterChef apron, which I'm wearing today. In this video, I'll be making Wun Tun Mein, which relates to wonton and noodles. The ingredients for my Wun Tun Mein are my homemade wonton filling, which I wrapped in store-bought egg pastry wrappers. And I'll be using egg pasta noodles today, as well as pak choy cabbage, which I've chopped up, and some iceberg lettuce. To begin with, I've boiled some water and put in a few slices of ginger for flavor. My Wun Tun Mein cooking is going to be a little different today. I'll be cooking everything separately. So first of all, just put in the egg noodles first. What I'm trying to do is build up my Wun Tun Mein dish. Let that simmer and cook for a few minutes. Just put it directly in your serving bowl. Next, just throw in a handful of pak choy and blanch for about a minute. The pak choy is now ready to be taken out. Just put them over the top of the noodles. The next layer. The next step is the wontons. Won't take too long to cook. Swirl the wontons a little bit so that it doesn't stick to your pan and pot. And when it cooks, it turns into a translucent color and it starts to float up. As you can see, it's been a few minutes. The wontons are now floating up on the top, and I'll just show you what one of it looks like. See the translucent color? That's when it's ready. Very delicate at this stage, so be careful when you lift them out of the water. Now the final step is just throwing in some lettuce. Just blanch it for less than 10 seconds and it's ready. Just a quick blanch will do. You don't want this to be cooked. Should be crispy. Taken out. Strain the water. This is the way I prefer my Wun Tun Mein, which is dry. If you want a soup version, just add in broth. Whilst cooking, I did not add any seasoning at all. The final step to making this a fabulous dish are the sauces. Start off seasoning with some chili sauce, just a dab of chili sauce, dark soy, oyster sauce, sesame oil, finally chili oil. Dinner's ready, and this is how I like to have it. First, you just go in and swirl everything together. Give it a big mix. Sauce and all. And just take a bite. Yummy! This is really good. Give it a try. Until next time, happy eating.